wipe off your arm. Moderna.
Yeah.
Little pinch.
Moderna.
Ray, what allergies do you have?
Cephalosporin, penicillin, and aspirin.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
None of those are important here today.
Yep, nothing.
You get your signature, please.
Booster.
My wife's family's Del Castillo of the house.
Yeah, Del Castillo. We have Castillo.
So you're missing some of your name.
Yun! Tada! Snow! Snowy! Yun si Raymond! Ha ha ha! To.
Lamig ang pako.
Feeling matibay ka. Mamaya putol na yung paa mo. Mamaya putol na yung paa mo, be. Yun ho. Wala kang ano. Ang baho, be. Huwag kang naman yan. Napupulit. Yay. Oh, cute.
Dumi yan, may asin yan eh. May asin din dyan. Basa oh.
Chelsea can woo! Nabatuin ko si Raymond.
Ang dami gago ka. Puputol na yung pako. Ano? Okay. Basta nga, malamig sa paa.
Dapat may stick ka kasi. Stick. Ayan na. Bilang nalagay niya.
Ayan na. Ginulo mo na eh.
Dapat may stick, ano?
Eh paano yung masusulatan magulo na?
Nakita si Pao.
Hindi nakita yung bell.
Sorry, Belle. Wala na.
Maliit lang kasi. Dito, lagay mo dito. Dito.
Dapat may stick eh.
Dito.
Upo ako, be.
Basa ka, mama.
Belle? Di kita eh. Sa kapal. Oh, Paula. Love. Oh, Belle.
Maliit lang kasing katulad ng ginawa mo may Chacha.
Hindi, manipis lang yung kagabi.
Uy, malamig!
Yung bilog dyan, picturean mo.
Balik ka na.
Wait ka na ba sa?
Downtown. Binibidyo pa ako dito. Binibidyo pa ako dito. Binibidyo pa ako tepe na to. Ang bulbulistik. In love na naman sa akin itong mga to. Tignan mo. Uy.
Hi guys, it's 5:44. Ayan ang sitwasyon ni Raymond. Kawawa na. Kung si Becky nagbabalat ng patatas, siya po nag-i-scrape ng yelo. Ayan mo. Paano po kami lalakad dito?
Sa Quiapo, yung tabla.
Dito po, wala po bang tabla rito?
Kasi sa Quiapo may tabla eh. Yung pwede kang
Hala,
tumawin.
tignan mo kakapal ng ano. OMG. Ito huy, inaapakan namin ngayon. Yan, ganyan kakapal. Oh my God. Doon ka na sa may, ano, Jen, yung may butas-butas.
Indeed can help them hire great people fast. I need Indeed.
Ay! Ito po si Jennifer. May situation. Buksan mo na!
From your employer dashboard.
Hindi na bubuksan?
Baka kasi pumasok yung halo.
Hindi, okay lang. Pumasok talaga yun ata. Gilang. Ay, sama. Basa ka dyan. Mababasa ka na dyan. Oh my God! Oh, tignan nyo ho ang sitwasyon.
Nagpa-plow naman eh, oh.
Nagpa-plow sila?
Ayun, nag-plow siya, oh. Pero ano.
Okay, test drive. Nakuha na namin ang aming Karoo. Yan, guys. Ooh, happy ang bata. After almost 1 year. Yan, dito namin kinuha ang aming Karoo. Papagas muna kami. Let it go! Winter Wonderland! It's cold. Later, this one will till 7 p.m. The snow. Hi! Snowing time again and again. Ito ang aming baby Basti. Punong-puno. Malamig kagabi, no? Perfect na yelo talaga. Yes. Ilang oras to 12 hours, ganyan ang kapag. Di ba nung dumating tayo, nag-snow na rin?
Akin na. Para mabilis.
Wait, yung side ko ano? Yung side ko hindi ko nakikita. Ano? Nice noise ah.
Akin na, be, para mabilis na.
Ay, mabilis sa'yo. Ikaw na. Yan na. Naliwan po tayo sa kayanuhan. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Aray, tanggal na yung kuko mo sa paa, araray. Nitis niya lang, araray. Mukapal, charing. Charing ka, girl. Yan o. Pakasipag. Oo. Pakita ko pa yung bra ko dyan. Yung nilalaban mo.
Ikaw tayo mo yan.
Pakasipag ko.
Ganyan yan.
Siyempre, ganyan talaga ang paggamit niyan. Napakasipag nito, oh. Magtatapon pa yun ng basura.
Wait, ayos mo na yung basura ko.
Kinakamot sa kwet. Ayun.
Diba?
Napakasipag!
Napakatayin ito. Wala ko pa'y tayo ito.
I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me.
Kantahin mo! Dali, kantahan mo ako. Sige na. Oh, hindi. Sige na. Hindi, dali. Go! Go.
I want to share all my love.
Kapal? Akala ko, ayun ka. Sabi, ba't di pa nag-umpisa si Raymond? Yan, hoy! Pinainit mo? Winter Wonderland! Tsaka ba nakapark kagabi?
Oo. Then lipat ko.
Nilipat mo lang kailan?
Nung bago matulog. Kasi alam ko mas malakas dun eh.
Tayo lang ata.
Sana hindi shake yung ata
Jen,
ng 13
parang maingay lang yata dito, Jen.
I don't even know that movie.
Oh, come
Oh,
on.
come on.
That's a famous movie.
Really? Says who?
Yeah. You know it. I promise.
Is that
It's okay, like
What?
we shouting here, like
One more, two more,
not shouting like this.
Well, we'll be alright.
okay, anyway. They will be.
It's a Saturday.
I'll give you.
They will hear a
I'll
lot of
give,
shouting.
I'll give you 5 years. 5 years. 5 years.
Ingay! Nag-whisper lang tayo.
Okay.
5 years.
Okay. Okay. Now let me just... Fucking fine.
5 minutes.
Will you?
I'll give you.
I think you will get this.
I'll give you 5 minutes.
66. Okay, let's start. All right.
You won't guess it. I promise.
Okay. 2 words.
You won't get it. I promise.
First word.
I promise.
First word. Second word. First word. Second word.
They won't get it. I
One.
promise.
1 syllable. 2 syllables. 1 syllable.
One syllable.
It's a very famous movie. You won't get it.
Cup.
Sip.
Drinking.
Sip. Cup. Drink.
They won't get it. I promise.
Glass.
Wine.
Wine. Water. Fluid. Liquid. Liquid.
Gas.
Hot. Warm.
Hot coffee. Starbucks. Dripping.
2 years. I'll give you 2
Drifting.
years.
We're losing.
They won't
First
get
word.
it.
2 syllables.
They won't get it. I promise.
Second syllable.
First syllable.
Ah!
Hulo.
What's this?
Ano yun?
Beetlejuice. What the fuck is that?
Beetlejuice? Ay, yung pinanood natin, be.
She knows that.
Beetlejuice.
Actually, that. Yeah.
Okay, go.
How many words?
Wait.
1 word. word.
Siri.
Wait lang! Lupot tayo ito eh.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Siri.
Go to your timer.
Stop.
and just
Start
turn it like
timer
that.
for 60 seconds.
That's what she said.
No, it's easier like
Okay.
this. Go.
How many words? How many words? One word. Oh, that's hard.
What is it doing?
Panahon na para magsaya!
One word. So. Cold.
Frosty the Snowman!
You started it.
What a happy holiday!
Hard.
It's hard. Bigyan mo ng hard, be. Wala na, tapos ka na, be. You're done. You're done, babe.
Sky up.
Sun.
Look at me, if you see where here I am. 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at me.
Interstellar.
Oh, that's hard.
This is what happens when you...
This is what happened. Pag binigyan nyo movie, ah.
Ano daw?
Ano na, may movie na kayo? Come on, girl, boys.
Come on, bitches.
Come on, bitching.
Is it easy?
Easy peasy.
Okay.
I think they should be somewhat easy. You guys, what do you tell him. You guys pick.
Nagtinira sa puwet, ganon.
That's hard to act.
Second one.
But it's 2 words.
Ano, hirap niyo pala magbigay eh.
Come on.
You ready?
Ah.
You can do whatever you want. Oh, come on.
You know that one?
I do, but that's really good. I have no idea.
Okay.
Oh,
You know that?
I like that one.
I like that
Yeah,
movie.
you tell them.
Okay,
You tell her. You tell her.
tell to Serena. Mais ka, bibigwasan ka ni Serena.
Rice become a rice.
Filipino movie. It's really a long title.
I just type so that they won't hear it. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
So hard. See, but I like that film.
Yeah.
You like that? You like that?
Once you see, you understand. This one needs at least 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Is it that difficult?
Raymond na, tuwan-tuwa.
These guys are bullying us. I will not take this.
Jen, galing nga mo dyan, ha?
Okay.
We will get this.
Oh.
I doubt it.
Jen, ha?
That the one. See?
Yeah. I did the movie.
You know,
Okay.
Start.
Start.
1 minute.
Hey Siri.
Ano yung Raymond?
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, you don't have a Siri. You're
Start
an
timer for
Android.
60 seconds. Game? Game.
Okay, start.
6 words. Oh fuck. Okay.
I can take a leak and
3rd word.
you won't even
4th word.
Uy!
A.
guess it.
English.
The.
Da.
6th word. Mind.
Thinking. You. Mind.
The mind. 2nd word.
Inside, I told you.
What?
The Minecraft.
Second word.
2
2
syllables.
syllables. First syllable. Second syllable.
Fuck, you guys are good at this.
Up.
Elevate. Up. C.
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 We lose. Sunshine of spotless mind.
Tangin na Raymond, ang dami ginagawa mo.
That's Jim
Jim Carrey.
Ano ulit nga? Ano ulit? Anong title?
Spotless Mind.
Gagad.
Words and then first words are. How many words first?
What? Yeah.
I'll type it.
No, that's good. I got
That's
glasses.
it. Show it. Just show that.
Yeah, don't show it there.
Just show the cell phone.
Wait, I can't do it.
Uy, wag mo na ipulong, Jen! Ayun mo na lang, i-type mo na
Just
lang.
show the type letters of it.
Okay, that's easy.
Okay, alright.
Let's just do it.
Alright. You ready?
Okay.
How many words? How many words?
Serious.
3 words.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Wait, hey Siri.
1 minute. Okay.
Oh my god, hey Siri.
1 minute.
Siri, wait, don't make that. Hey Siri.
Hey, Siri.
Siri's fucking listening to me.
So I can't talk, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
yeah.
Hey Siri. Start timer for 60 seconds.
Okay. Okay, start.
Ready?
2 words. 2 words.
3 words.
Second word.
Second word. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Come on.
Yeah, yes.
Second word. Okay. Cat. Scissor. Cat.
No?
Scissor.
Scissor.
Yeah.
And what's the scissor hands? Oh, come on.
That was well worth it.
What you doing? So cute.
Lou.
Ang batang excited. Ay, hindi pala bata. Matanda.
Kumain ka na?
Hindi na ako kakain. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw kakain ka? Bakit? Ang dami mo nang kinain na. May high blood ka na dyan sa ano. Yan ho, ang pinagkakaabalahan niya. Mga accessories sa car. Masyado siyang preoccupied. Gusto niya po i-plastic cover yung sasakyan namin. Tignan niyo yung ulo niya, parang sinakluban ng bunot. Yan. Every you is represented by me and you. Okay, happy? Happy? Sa kanyang purchase? Happy. Hindi siya makaintindihan kung anong gagawin niya. Yan ho. Kakabit niya na po yan ngayon. Kakabit mo na? Tatapo mo na yung luma? Okay. Nag-access siya ng $20 doon, guys. Ayan siya. As in, kagagaling niya lang sa work. Kasi ayan na siya. Sige na! Dali pa planchahin ko yung uniform mo. Bilis!
Bakit mo mag-plan siya?
So, okay lang. Hindi ko na pa planchahin yung uniform mo, ha? Okay? Be! Ang lakas ng waves!
Oh, that's your
Was there a sky at all? Until you painted it for me.
Uy!
How did I get on?
Di naman pala ganun kakapal.
Hindi nga. Kaya lang magiging pros yan eh.
Pros.
Ayun, natutunan agad eh. Oh. Pag nagpa-park dito ah.
Nakabakasyon.
Gaiter.
Ayan mga aking sweet lover ngayon. Ang aking nurse. Yan. Yan, ayos ko mapapanood mo to later on.
Asa na yun? Hindi pa makapayo. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys. Okay, sakto lang.
Yun ang aming workplace.
Sign of the class!
Sign of the class na po siya.
Yan. Ako po nagturo dyan mag-drive. Char. Hindi ka marunong mag-drive eh. Meron na akong shopping buddy. Sarina, tara. Shopping tayo.
Masisihan. Charot.
Ace, ano? Ano masasabi mo dito?
Ayun lang yung ayoko pagka-cable lang. Pag malubak.
Ah, nag-ano siya, oo.
Hey, sa inyo ba? Naka-wireless na?
Wireless, hindi.
Hindi pa kayo.
Sensitive pala niya. Baka sa cord mo.
Kasi may bangas na yung cord.
Alam mo, diba? Ha? Kala niya, ha? Kala niya, hindi ako makauwi, ah. Sorry na nandito. Pasuyon dyan.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Guys Run Road.
You're not recording, are you? No! I want that. Oh, okay. I don't remember the. What's that? This one? Yeah. Can you stop, right? Yes, sir.
Hi, Rihanna! You're so beautiful!
Part, Rosie. The yelling part.
Magapon ka lang na nakakot. Pabuha ka. Picnic ka ng sarap ko. Si Kuya na natuloy. Live po eh. So, pinipicture mo. Ayos na nga yung gamit yung ano dito kalsada. Okay po, message mo. Nakita niyo maganda ka na.
Dala! Unstoppable today!
Live pa?
Live, hindi yan live. unstoppable today.
Video ka na naman ha. Nagbibidyo ka na naman ha.
Sumasayaw ka kasi.
Hindi mo na.
Kita Tini Mountain. Mababang inuman. Gwapo naman. Salamin. Gwapo ng salamin. Kita ko ng liwanag sa dilim.
Ah, dalawa pa oh.
Anong dalawa?
Tingnan mo. Butas, tapos meron na naman.
Galing.
Tingnan mo po.
Ha?
Butas, meron na naman.
Another tunnel na naman. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yun. Butas. Liwanag sa dilim.
Nilart na tayo guys! Kubaw!
Oh, vlogging ah. You're a vlogger ah. Ano Canada?
Kaya pala Canada only, exit na nila yun.
Ganda!
Machichichet dito.
Machichichet.
Hindi mo Canada na yung kabila, oh no?
Canada yun. Ayun o.
Pasok na te. Just a little bit's enough. Just a second where I'm broken.
Kaya siningita rin galing nito.
Taka na. Saan tayo?
Video to wait.
Canada. Canada na yun, no?
Canada Tower. Be, tingin ka lang ganyan ka sa gilid. 1, 2, 3. Ako din.
Ay, video to eh. Wow. No one's seen you almost butt. Ganyan yung akin.
Hindi naman naghahanap ng perfect na driving.
Yung safety na ano niya yun ah.
Basta ano lang, feeling niya.
Tsaka alam mo yung gagawin mo.
Feeling niya maingat ka kahit
Ayun
na
pa. Pero galit pa rin siya, tumingin pa rin siya doon sa, ano, sa likod niya.
And the night went to the little land.
Parang babae, be. Parang babae. Babae ka, girl. Next is polishing. Christmas. Ay, umulan. Parang snow yan. Surface protectant. Air drying. Good job, twins. Love it. Tignan mo, 169. Good job, babies. Good job. Galing, dinig na.
Hindi mo daw talaga madidistinguish kung saan yung isa. Kasi baka sabay.
Ayun. Ayun
Baka
naman
daw
yung isa.
sabay yung heart rate.
Galing, mami. Good job. Good job yung twins namin, ah. Happy birthday to you.
Oo naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Three.
Happy birthday, Marvin.
Everyone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
launched their jump.
Okay.
Now you're gonna have to parachute down and land on top
You
of
see?
wherever you want to.
Jump,
Yeah.
You rode that plane, then you must jump, okay?
And you want to open the parachute too. That's kind of ideal.
Press X. X mo. See? Okay.
Spoiler dala, spoiler.
Spoiler alert.
Walang ibang ibig. Mga ko